everyone, I'm going to do a video of Superhero Tycoon. I'm going as Flash today and he's pretty good. If you get to some ladder pads, he can give you what's it called? Flying rainbow carpet. I don't know how to say it, but you can fly with this. It's sick. I always wanted to be able to jump really high. And I can see some people are using Roblox because there's pretty crazy stuff going on. This guy has weapons. I can steal his. There we go. Then I can jump onto Spider-Man. He is a good one. Oh, that was good. Oh yeah, I forgot. He has this super good sword. This sword is so good. Maybe next video I will do probably a different power. Maybe Ant-Man or something. Ant-Man is the best power. Because he can shrink, he can grow, you can just glitch the map. It's insane. Oh, and I just glitched there. There we go. Look at this sword. And it shoots kind of yeah, there, you see that? That's Spider-Man web or something. It's cool. And since I'm in the group, I have a bit of extra cash. Start off with some more cash. You can see up here, I already started off with 2,500. I think it says, members, no, not that one. It gives you a few thousand start off cash. It's pretty good. This keyboard is a very loud thing. Hear this. It's very, very loud. I have some friends in my class that really want to do YouTube with me, and yeah, they really want to be on YouTube. I asked one of my friends called Barry. He plays Roblox and he really wants to join. He's on that sin there. He really wants to join, but he's playing Rainbow Friends. I hate Rainbow Friends. I watched someone play it and I was like, nah, it's kind of boring. And you know, leave a comment if you like Rainbow Friends. And if you do, just say yes, no, or blah blah, blah blah, blah blah. Oh, Thor has the best thing. Can teleport. I'll try to defeat her, but that sword's a one-shotter. Oh! Oh wait, she's invisible. What? She's go invisible. That's cheating. That's cheating. She cheated. She went invisible. That's I never saw that before. They can't just do that. That's cheating. Superman. I see it. I see him. I think he has his cape. Then I can fly. It's insanely OP. You jump really high, then if you hold the space bar, you can like kind of fly. It's really cool. It's so OP here. I'll show you. New, then fly. I'm flying. I'm flying. Hi. Just stealing your weapons. Thank you. Thank you. Bye. This keyboard acts up a lot. Whee! This is fun. Let me just unplug this keyboard. There we go. Okay. Back to normalness. There we go. That's better. Anyways, that's pretty good. And you can click and then you like do a speed boost. Come on. Wee. I can still jump it. Ooh, rockets. Wee. Bam. Hi. Hi. Oh, that's a one-shotter. No. Boom, boom. Use the flashbang. Come on, use the flashbang. Use the flashbang. Bam. There. Oh. That was embarrassing. That. I don't think he saw it, but that was dumb of me. But there it is. Join the group for superheroes for 2,500 starting cash. That's why I joined the group. Oh, maybe I'll do Black Panther instead of Ant-Man because in the next video, because Black Panther he has this kind of thing where he's able it's a gravity coil. Then you can jump super duper high. I just love going around. Then I dress up as Spider-Man. Then it's just sick. Oh. I thought I couldn't get up because I thought that. Never mind. Dooby-doo. Just let me just kill this guy. Cause oh. What? Why isn't it working? I'm clicking. There. Pow. Hello, man. I don't know why, but I'm very casual, just walking into him, not even sprinting. All I need is the cape. I don't really need the fire blaster. Oh. Come on, let me out. Whee! Ah. There we go. Boom. Batman has good powers as well. He is a one-shotter kind of bat thing with Spider-Man. Sometimes if you go, hi Evie. Hi, I'm not even Evie. She's level 1. I'm level 14. Sometimes if you go too close in to equip the character, you kind of like he dies sometimes. It is very creepy. Biome. Oi. Can you call? They're probably doing a call. Alright, can you call? I just said hi in the middle of all of that. Batman's here. Batman. Oh, I don't see anything. Oh god. This is risky, bro. See? That weapon is a one-shotter. Oh. No, thank you. No. Please don't kill me. That's a good weapon. Oh, I got into Thor's. I can see his weapon. Then one-shot him. This sword is a one-shotter, and it can teleport. Okay, I think I just saw the person that owns that place. There we go. You wanna just do one teleport? That was good. He has the best weapon. He has a flying thing. Bat wings, bro. No. Oh god. Oh, that was sick. I just did a 360 and. Oh. Oh, that was sick. Now all my dreams have come true. I can fly. Oh, this is OP. This is so OP, bro. Look at this. Woo! Fire. That is risky. I'm not going down there. Oh, Batman's following me. Oh god, please no, no. He's coming. Just fly up to X height. Where is he? I don't see him. I think I might just... Oh! That was pretty cool. Okay, I don't have that sword. She probably knows. Yep, she knows. Boom! Try to get me now. Oh, never mind. I'm dead. What? Oh. What the? Why isn't the bat wings aren't working? No. Oh, hi. Oh, God. Try to attack me. With this. Bah! Oh, God. No! I had the bat wings and everything. No. All I need to do was fly. Okay, I think she knows. Yeah, she knows. No, I'm not coming down. She gonna come up or is she gonna get ready to move? She definitely knows, bro. No. Okay, I think I am dead. I wasn't stealing anything. Don't worry. Oh. Please tell me No, I can't get in Spider-Man's base. Oh, come on. I know Spider-Man can come in here. I'm just gonna get these things. Yeah. Wow. Does she know? She knows. Maybe I can go through the in and out. Oh God, I am just dead. No. Oh, I have to end the video soon. So, if you like this video, then please like and subscribe. Bye.